Hello friends, this is Vinay. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Internet Explorer in Windows 10 even after Microsoft has removed it completely. So let's get started. So recently Microsoft ended support for Internet Explorer, and in the latest version of Windows 10 they have also removed Internet Explorer entirely. But before doing that, they have introduced a feature called Internet Explorer mode, and using which users can load Internet Explorer within the Edge browser. The purpose is to make it easier for the users to load website that require Internet Explorer compatibility. The feature is disabled out of the box, and if you want to take advantage of the feature, then you have to enable it manually. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to click on this three dot icon, and here you need to click on settings. Now on the left side you need to switch to default browser tab. Here you will find this option called allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, and its description reads when browsing in Edge, if a site requires Internet Explorer for compatibility, you can use to reload it in the Internet Explorer mode. So what you need to do is just need to click here to turn it on, and then you need to click on restart button to apply the changes. uh, Once a browser is relaunched, you need to visit any website which you want to reload in Internet Explorer mode or in Internet Explorer. I would like to uh, open Geeker Mag. Now you can see that there is a icon for reload tab in Internet Explorer mode in the toolbar. All you need to do is just click here, and it will instantly load the same website in Internet Explorer mode. So you can see there is an Internet Explorer icon in the Omnibox, and this indicates that right now the website is loaded in Internet Explorer mode, and there is a message that tells user that for better experience you use Microsoft Edge. You can close this. At any point you want to exit the Internet Explorer mode, you just need to click A again on this exit tab from Internet Explorer mode, and wait for a few seconds, and this will load the website in normal Edge browser. Apart from that, you can also head over to more tools in Edge menu, and from here you can select this option refresh tab in Internet Explorer mode, and this will also reload the website in Internet Explorer mode. And again you can turn off or exit the tab using the same option. So that's it guys. This is how you can keep using Internet Explorer or Internet Explorer mode in Edge browser. Give a try to this feature, and let me know your opinion about Internet Explorer mode in Edge browser. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.